Dyson Cyclone V10. It is a beefier version of Dyson's best-selling V8. And it is the most powerful cordless vacuum cleaner to date.
Wow, but before we test it, we've got to make a mess.
Indeed we do, and I believe I have the right ingredients to turn this rather pristine showroom into a tip. We've got flakes of corn, some cat litter, and the contents of the office vacuum. All right, let's go, let's go.
Free the corn! Free the corn! Oh, that's gross!
Well, that's certainly enough mess. Probably too much mess, actually. Let's see what this new Dyson can do with it. Aha.
Not bad. So we've got a nice big trap for catching all of your dirt.
Considering the mess we've made, it's doing a really good job. How much power's it got?
It's capable of 125,000 revs per minute when it's in max mode. And the battery lasts so much longer than previous models, up to 50% longer. You'll get 60 minutes depending on which power setting you use. So there are 3 settings. There's a standard, you'll get 60 minutes. There's boosted, which gives you half an hour of increased power cleaning. And then on max, max is so powerful, you only get 6 minutes.
Let's max it up! Let's max it up! Max! Max! Whoa!
My foot's getting sucked in!
I think it's doing a really good job, actually, and thanks to Dyson's patented Cyclone technology, it'll pick up really small particles down to 0.3 microns.
And as with any self-respecting piece of tech, it's got LED indicators telling you how much power you've got left, when to flush out the filter, and also what power setting you're on. Really good job, right?
Really good job.
There you go. So it's quick, it's powerful, it's effective. It's actually as powerful as a full-size corded vacuum cleaner. The V10 is definitely one for you if you like the cable-free life.
John, can you come and clean my flat? You've done a very good job here.
Anytime.